Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So if you are not subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. And here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook group, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the two state university affiliated colleges. And here one college is not required the UGC NET or PhD, and the another college is required the NET or PhD. So let us see the details regarding these advertisements. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Vijay Vittala group of institutions from Bangalore. So applications are invited for the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies in civil computer science, electronics and communication, mechanical engineering, management, commerce, economics, fashion design, English, Kannada. Eligibility PhD or master's degree in the relevant subject with first class. And the administrative staff is also there. Okay, the physical requirement is also there. Physical education director, librarian, female telecaller, student counselors. Okay, and interested candidates can apply along with the copies of testimonials with recent passport size photograph within 10 days from the date of this advertisement to the secretary by email only for engineering jobs to vvip.jobs@gmail.com and for management, commerce, economics, English, Kannada and FAD telecallers and student counselors to vvims.jobs@gmail.com. Okay. So if you are having the post graduation only in these departments, then you may apply this. Okay, no problem. And coming to the second one is Ramadevi Kanya Mahavidyalaya from Noida. It is affiliated to CCS University. So requires faculty for B.Ed or DEI ED, lecturers in all subjects required, and qualification as per the NCT norms. And coming to the BA or BCom, Hindi, English, History, Psychology, Political Science, Music and Commerce, etc. So for this one, the qualification required is NET or the PhD. Fine. And the receptionist or accountant is also required here, and the interested candidates may apply within the 10 days mentioning the post with the detailed biodata. And here the mail ID is also provided. Okay, so both these two advertisements got today only, that is 5th March. Okay, so the interested candidates may apply within the 10 days, guys. Okay, so there is no application fee, and mostly for the selection process there will be no entrance exam also. So you may directly go for the interview, okay, depending upon the selection process of the corresponding institutions. Okay, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues, and to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to. So here the Unacademy Accelerate program is there on the March 7th, that is Sunday, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So you can win the 100% scholarship for NTA UGC NET subscription plans. Okay, so here the paper 1 total 50 questions will be there, and if you got the first rank and the second rank, then the 100% scholarship on subscription, and 3 to 10 75%, 11 to 35 50%, 36 to 150 25% you will get. So interested candidates may enroll now, and you have to check down the terms and conditions also.